How to run Python code on Android. First, open your Play Store app. Then search for pydroid 3 and install the app. Then close your Play Store and open the pydroid 3 app. Now let's write a simple line of Python code. Okay, let's write print my first Python code on mobile. And now we click on the play button to run. And now you can see that our code ran successfully on our mobile phone here. Please like this video and consider subscribing to my channel for more tutorials and tech related videos. Thank you for watching and see you next time.